As innocent as it might seem, this block of soap has a crime history behind. Can you imagine if this soap was made from human fat? Me neither. But according to theories, this might not just be a theory. So yes, fat becomes soap. But what if I told you this same reaction fueled one of the most disturbing stories in history? Soap made from human fat. These days, people use synthetic fats to make soap, like palm oil. But in a weird way, some still use animal fat directly to make soap, and that is our experiment today. But this experiment also points out to something far more disturbing. In history of World War II, this very reaction wasn't just done with animal fat, it was done with human fat. And that's the story I'll share you next. During World War II, there was this Nazi scientist named Rudolf Spanner who was accused of making soap from human fat. Anyway, they claimed the soaps were just a byproduct of research, so they made uses of them in cleaning the laboratories. And now I should say, this is gross all the way. One thing interesting is that at that time, people of Germany were famous for making something out of nothing. And in this case, something was the soap and nothing was the human corpse. So, scientific curiosity or genocide? The truth lies somewhere in between. Today, people use animal or plant fat to make soap, not people. Even if they say it was just a byproduct to clean laboratories with, it was still human fat, right?